Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to quickly show you how to put ADs between the lines there. If you want to obviously do that, or you want to do it manually, however you want to do it. I just want to show you because I found it very difficult finding it, and now that I found it, a lot of people are asking that question. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly show you how to do this. So you have your screen like this, and underneath you just go to edit video. So it will take you to that screen right there, and you will see this when you see edit video. And by the side here, the corner here, you have it hidden there. So just tap this particular thing here. You found it under here. You find the monetization under here, and you get the monetization. You click it, it will take you to this bar right here. I know from here it's very difficult, you don't know how to obviously go about this. Sorry about this, I'm just using my phone to film this just quickly. You know, I'm just editing a video and I thought, why not, I should just film this and show you guys. So when you get here, what you do next is it will then show you to edit manually. Remember that in ADs, right, you've got some advertisers that would obviously want their video non-skippable, underlay and things like that, overlay or whatever you may see like this. So you need to click all these things in case they decide to put any of this video, you're not losing money, if that makes sense. So all of this should be clicked just like this. And to put a break, you want to manually put a break for yourself, so that you have like loads of ADs. You go here, place manually. This is where people find it difficult. So when you get here, I just did mine now and I figured it out myself. Sorry, this is a very poor quality, but it's better, I mean, you see it this way and learn it and learn how to do it. So you go right here, right, and see what I'm moving. If you touch this arrow, is moving. So I'm going to put one particular AD here right there. I'm going to move it across there and see. Wonder why it's not moving. Right, just obviously I need two of my hands to do it for it to move. So right there, I'm just going to double tap. I'm going to double tap there, and usually people do have their AD break on underneath. If you go here, under here, after this, the other one will be edit break, depending on the computer you're using. So mine is on top right here. So when you click this, you have 00. So you come over here, this is where you then add another video, if that makes sense. So I will just add how many minutes gap I want my AD to start. So I will just say say 2 minutes. I'll put it manually. Remember, it's manually. See, on the computer I'll just type 0 2 0 0. So you have like 2 minutes break there. And obviously I have enough AD because this is the start right there. Is my intro, and this is the start of my distance. So I have the normal one that YouTube usually puts in. So putting another one obviously will be over, it will be too much. So I'm just showing you guys what to do. So now that I've added, if I was to add, I would have left it there because this is the space, but because I'm not using it, I'll just go ahead and delete it. So I do not have any ADs around here. So this is my intro, and then my video starts until 4 minutes, around 4 minutes, which is that 4 minutes 12 seconds that you can see there. And my next AD is 8 minutes, which is this one. It's like 8 minutes 6 seconds that you can see there. Yeah, and then the next one is around 11 minutes which is this one right here. They know how they place it. And then the next one is this one right here, which is you will see them, they are all hidden down here. So these are all my ADs and their time between the breaks between each other. This is what it is. So I hope this video makes sense. I hope I was able to figure mine out, and I know with this you'll be able to figure yours out. It's a very simple, straightforward thing to do, but in case you do not get it very well, just comment down below and let me know what you think. I know some people will disagree with this video because of the quality. Remember I said I'm editing a video. I just finished editing that video right now, and I posted it just a few minutes ago. And this is a new update from YouTube. Usually it wasn't like that. It was like a simple one that you can drag and place, but this is a new one. So I found it difficult finding, and I know there are people struggling to obviously put this. So this is the latest update, and this is how to do it. Remember I said your break might be under here depending on the kind of computer you're using. I'm using HP computer right now. So if you go under here, 1 2 3, which is monetization, video and music, this is and audio, this is exactly where underneath. So after the audio will be underneath will be break. If you're using Apple, I think MacBook, if you're using MacBook, I think it should be underneath. If not, it should be here. This is exactly where my own is, on top of the place. So don't get kind of confused when you're looking for it in your computer. Just check, it should be somewhere there. Like I said, it should be around that place. That's where you will find it. So I was able to do mine, so why can't you find yours? Go ahead and do it. That's how to do it. And I've done mine, and I'm happy I was able to find it, because my other video I wasn't able to add any much ADs on it because I struggled a lot. So this is it. I was able to go there. I clicked there and I went up to see it over there. So adding another one, you just need to click that, and it will give you how many minutes you want, place automatically, and it will give you a box, and in that box you type how many minutes you want between the breaks, which will be like very simple. You just go over here and then drag it, and then drag it to exactly where you want it to be, and then you put that number there, and it will stay there automatically. That's how it works. These are my ADs. I have 1 2 3 4, and this video is 16 minutes 31 seconds, so I have about 5 of it at the middle, plus the one that will end, the final AD at the end that YouTube usually put, which you will click from the first box we saw before we get here. And then the other one will be usually the first and the second ADs that will start. And then this is my second one. The reason why I left my second AD right here is because it's really annoying when you click somebody's video, the first thing that will come up will be their AD. It's really annoying. So that's why I left it at least till 5 minutes, and then the next one goes and it goes and it goes. So guys, I hope this video makes sense. I tried my best in explaining, but if you obviously need to ask any question, don't hesitate to ask me down below, and I'll be able to explain from my experience. Remember, I just learned how to do this, and I know people are struggling out there to find how to put the break, so I was able to explain it. But if you don't understand anything, please let me know down below and I'll be happy to answer you. Thank you very much, and please continue to watch, and we are obviously hoping to improve more and more and more, and I hope I will see you in my next other video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.